What is up, YouTube? So just getting ready to put the XsPower D3400 in. I was just testing it, pulled it out of the box. It's 12.7, so that's good for fresh battery out of the box. Hopefully my resting voltage is higher than that, but hey, just wanted to kind of share with you guys what the side post kit looks like. Since I am putting this in a GM vehicle, it has side posts. I was going to just cut everything, and I was like, you know what, nah, we'll do this. So I'm gonna do the side posts, and I'm gonna put the gems on top of it. So side posts are super heavy duty. I wish I had a scale out here just to kind of show you guys how heavy these sons of bitches are, but looks like they just go just like that. So, and that'll give you your side post. So I really like most XsPower stuff. I don't agree with the price. I have another XsPower post kit because I'm putting a second D3400 in the back, and it was like 20 bucks for literally like 2 little wing nuts and a reducing coupler. So maybe I'll start selling those on my own for half the price. Oh, here they are, right here. Like, look at that. Like, that's ridiculous. 20 bucks for that. But gotta pay to play, I guess. Alright guys, you know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.